Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. There is a big news which is coming here from TCS. TCS has again started hiring for 2025 batch free hiring, NQT hiring. Yes, you heard it correctly. I will give you the complete details, and 2026 batch free hiring, that exam date is also announced in this video. We are going to talk in very much detail. Okay, so for 2026 batch graduates also we will be talking, right? So 2026 graduates and 2025 anyway, that's a wonderful opportunity now they are getting. So friends, before I move ahead, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and like the video. Your one like will definitely motivate us a lot, and we will be bringing each and every information for all of you. Okay, now let us come back. So what kind of mail TCS is sending? And friends, I'm telling you, this is the first time TCS is sending this kind of email, first time. Okay, so there are many students, I mean 99% of the students in 2025 batch, they were rejected after the interview. Please listen carefully. So 2025 batch, right? After interview, there was a mass rejection. Almost everyone was rejected. And there was no reason given by TCS. A student had performed well. Even the student who gave the interview for Prime, they did not get Digital or Ninja. They were directly rejected. Now TCS is giving them the opportunity. Few of you have already received the mail. Others also will be receiving the mail very soon. So whoever has received the email, kindly mention that you have received, and we are creating a separate WhatsApp group so that we can prepare you for the interviews, right? Okay, so you have to, if you will comment, we will send you a link there, you can join that. Okay, you have received this kind of email, so that we can prepare you for the interview. And 2026 batch, a separate WhatsApp group is created. So if you'll comment that TCS 2026, we will send you that WhatsApp group link so that you will be able to join. Okay, now let us see the mail. So TCS Mumbai, opportunity to secure Ninja offer. We truly appreciate the effort and potential you demonstrated during the recruitment process earlier, and believe that you have enhanced your skill set. We are excited to present a unique opportunity to get hired for Ninja offer. So he was rejected for the Ninja interview. So now he has got an email. Please confirm your interest by filling the below form, post which you shall receive the interview schedule directly. So now friends, some of the students were telling, sir, this survey link is not working. So please wait. Don't worry, it will work. Okay. So last date to fill the form is Wednesday 28th of January 2026. We believe in giving talented individuals chance to sign and look forward to you excelling with us on our journey to be the world largest AI-led technology services company. Friends, today TCS proved that TCS is one of the best company. Like this, no one else will do. See, TCS were going through the bad phases, and that is the reason all those things happened. They had rejected, and now they might have good project. Now they are, after restructuring. So this is a very good news for TCS NQT 2026 batch as well. Okay, because now they have the requirement, and that is the reason they started picking from 2025. You think how much a requirement will be in 2026. Okay, so we truly appreciate the effort and potential. So see, this particular student has got email for the Ninja role, and the other student has got for the digital role. Okay, well, one by one we will talk. Here you see, so filling the below form, so for Ninja offer, and here you see, so we truly appreciate the effort. Same thing. So gain exposure. Okay, stand a chance to secure a TCS offer with a salary package of up to 11.59. So this is for I think MTech candidates. Okay, so everyone has now started getting an email. Okay, so friends, please go ahead and join the WhatsApp group. And also TCS interview material, right? So you are already aware. So here the mock interviews are also going on. Okay, so and this interview material is especially designed for Ninja Digital Prime. If you go inside that, no, you will be able to get whatever you want. Okay, I'm telling you, whatever you want, like TCS interview experience. So the student who gave the interview in 2025, so that you will be able to see. Okay, TCS interview question 2025. Okay, and then TCS interview question 2025 most asked question, TCS interview question 25 most asked question, TCS interview questions. Okay, technical interview questions, subject wise interview preparation, Python interview question, Java DSA interview question, TCS interview PYQ, and live mock interview. And then we recently launched SQL complete interview question. I will just show you, if you will see that. No, see, I'm telling you all those things in 500 rupees. You will never get anywhere. If you'll get, I will give you this course for free. That I am telling you right now in front of the whole audience. Okay, see, SQL, this is, basic level beginners, SQL database. So all you see the content, okay, and then you will understand that how much effort has gone behind this, right? And you see, okay, so this is inside this our interview courses. So each and everything, and then you have this answers for what is SQL, okay, what is database, what are the types of SQL commands. So all those things you will not get anywhere, I'm telling you. And thanks to Binay, so who has prepared this material for us, right? So yeah, so that's all. Okay, now friends, let us come back to 2026. So 2026, definitely there are the dates which is being announced. So now for 2026 batch, I will be starting from here. So 2025 batch, other student, you need to please wait, and after that you will be also getting the mail. Start preparing for the interview, the link is in description. Now TCS pre-exam 2026, friends, TCS is now conducting exam for smart hiring, and that exam date is here. If you'll go and see, so for BSc and BCA TCS 2025 and 2026 batch, the exam date is 21st of Feb 2026. Okay, now comes 2026 NQT. So friends, in some of the colleges, TPU indicated that the exam, right? So TCS NQT 2026 exam is going to happen in TCS NQT 2026 exam is going to happen in March. Okay, so I'm not 100% sure, but in few of the colleges, the TPU said, when I discussed with them, they said like, okay, so they have got an indication from TCS that the exam is going to happen in March. The date definitely they will not tell, but the exams will be happening in March. Okay, now friends, see, already on campus exam for TCS has happened. You see here, we are pleased to inform you that Tata Consultancy Services has announced the TCS National Qualifier Test for the Priority Institution for 2026 graduating student, and tentative test date, it was second week of November 2025. So already for on campus, the exam has happened, and now for the off campus, the exam is going to happen in March. Friends, this year TCS is going to hire more. For the off campus, the exam will be happening in March, and they are going to hire more candidates. Okay, more candidates. So you have almost 1 month, and this 1 month you have to be very, very careful. Friends, the syllabus is quite huge. If you'll go through and see, they will be hiring for Ninja, Digital and Prime role. Okay, numerical ability. So all these are like moderate to difficult. It's not easy to moderate. Okay, so moderate to difficult. Verbal ability, you can say moderate level. Reasoning ability, it will be moderate to difficult. Okay, now and advanced quantitative aptitude and reasoning, again it is moderate to difficult. Advanced coding, 1 coding question if you'll do, they will call you for digital, and 2 coding questions if you'll do, they will call you for prime. Okay, so this is what is going to happen. Okay, friends, at any cost, you have to get this job. I am begging for you, I am begging in front of you, you have to get a job at any cost. Do or die, you have to get, because now the TCS situation is good. I already showed you, right? Okay, so then this is the things which you have to prepare. Okay, now friends, one thing I will tell you, any exam if you want to crack, not only this TCS exam, trust me, any exam if you want to crack, the very simple fundamental is you have to solve previous year question as much as possible. You have to solve previous year question. That's all, nothing else has to be done. Okay, friends, see, some people will tell, I have new content. I just have one question to everyone. So in old content, like suppose 1 year back, 2 years back, when TCS was asking 4 by 2 was 2, in the new content, whatever somebody is providing, 4 by 2 is becoming 3. Arey bhai, content will be same. Aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, noun will change, pronoun will change. You teach 1 year before or 1 year after, friends, it is same. And now what I am doing is, Okay, now what I am trying to tell you is solve PYQs as much as possible. Okay, so that is the reason we brought this plan, and if you will see this, it is unbelievable, right? See, because if I go and teach you simplification, percentage, profit and loss, same thing is there in the recorded videos. Now what, for cracking any exam, it is very, very important to solve PYQs as much as possible, and that's why we are presenting a weekly plan. Okay, so you see, week 1, so aptitude PYQ, solve like exactly TCS based 20 questions, let us solve. Okay, mock test with video solution. Day 2, so this is week 1, 27th of January, we are starting this TCS NQT course. Verbal ability PYQ, mock test with video solution. Coding PYQs, mock test with video solution in Java. Coding PYQ, mock test with video solution in Python. Coding PYQ, mock test with video solution in C++. Reasoning PYQ, mock test with video solution. And then mock test with Pratik sir. So mock interview. Because you have to prepare for everything from now only. So if somebody communication is not good, if somebody don't know how to solve the puzzle questions in the interview, if somebody does not know how to give them managerial writing interview, how you will be able to qualify? So you have to take a step from today, complete your till your exam. See, and then second week same thing will follow, third week same thing will follow, and once we cross this 15th of Feb, we will be starting with marathon classes, where 2 hours of each classes will be there. Friends, I am telling you, result does not come simply. Okay, so you have to go ahead and put lot of effort. Okay, not only this, friends, we also prepared DSA book where the solutions will be there in Java, Python and C++, all 3 language. And for any exam, this is getting little modified. So our first page, but you see, DSA book top is covered. Okay, the the questions covered in this book has been asked in different companies. So this DSA book, if you go through any companies, you will be able to crack it. Okay, so arrays, strings, sliding window approach problem, linked list, bit manipulation, backtracking problems, binary search, binary tree problems, and other things are getting added. Story based problem, everything we have covered. Okay, see, if you, this is 500 plus pages PDF is there. Okay, 500 plus pages PDF is there. You could see like there are more than some 150 problems are there in all 3 languages. If I'll go down, then I can show you. Chalo chalo bhai chalo. So these are the questions what we have covered. Okay, so we have given you so that you can directly go to that page. Okay, and then yeah, you see here. So let us see the first question. So example 2. Okay, so input output. Now explanation, C++ code. You see C++ code, and then if you come down, Java code, and then if you come down, Python code. Nobody will give you this much. We are definitely going to increase the price, because the content what we are giving it to you now is more than sufficient to crack any examination. And all these things this TCS NQT course is having, TCS NQT crash course. And you go here, you see, friends, this is the content speaks here. The content speaks. Okay, so TCS NQT 2025 asked questions. If you'll go, so here you see in 2025 whatever the questions were asked, which we have already covered. TCS NQT 2025 2024 asked questions, that also we have covered. Okay, then recorded videos, and in a well suited manner. So you go here, then you first cover the basic problems. Okay, and then if you go inside this aptitude next level problem, where the difficult problems will be there, mock test is there, practice sets are there. Okay, so you come back, and then here right, so if you go back, same thing for reasoning, same thing for programming in all 3 languages, C++, C++, Java and Python. Again you come back here, practice sets are there, right, where you will be getting right practice question from important topics aptitude. So after your class you will be able to see all those things we have already done. See, somebody is doing today, we have done, we are doing it from the long back. Okay, and that's the reason you could see all these results comes, right? So friends, result, I'm telling you, it doesn't come like simply something you are giving an live classes recordings, new batch, you see. So every week, every day, even Sunday also we have this live classes. Okay, and yeah, so fully solved TCS previous year question we are giving. If this alone, if you solve, no, it is more than sufficient. Aptitude reasoning has not changed. The level has changed, that's all. And TCS from beginning, their level is very, very good. Okay, so all these practice questions are there. Then we have this mock test series, right? So you see mock test. Okay, here you go. Okay, so TCS NQT 2025 full length mock test, basic test series for the beginners, TCS NQT specific mock test, verbal ability topic wise test. Okay, so we are still adding more and more these things, right? So reading comprehension, sentence comprehension, and sentence completion, and other things we are adding. So this 1500 rupees, no, it will be more than worth. Get it today. Okay, and let us follow this plan here. Results will come. Okay, you don't have to worry, results will definitely come. Okay, let us follow this plan, and this is where you are going to be solve lot of questions. That is what is required, and that too along with teacher. So with teacher you are going to solve PYQ and mock test. Okay, and yes, coming back here to the again our PPT. Okay, so the past result you can see. Thank you Pratik sir, I have purchased your TCS NQT crash course. It helped me a lot for clearing the TCS NQT assessment and clearing the interview. And sir, with your continuous guidance and support, I have got this TCS digital offer. These all are in YouTube. It's not like, you know, from somewhere. And courses also I will show you. I got shortlisted for the interview. Definitely thanks to Pratik sir for putting so much effort in the NQT course. Yes, I cleared TCS NQT, but okay, I gave my best, but maybe God has some other plans. So for the interview, if you'll take lightly, that is what will happen. I got selected in TCS digital. See, one day before, if somebody is going to the video, they are shortlisted for prime interviews. Thank you Pratik sir, my son is selected for TCS prime. This is where my heart cries and I feel proud. Okay, if some parents comes and say that my son is selected for the TCS prime and your videos helped me a lot. Okay, these are from the course. I want to thank you for your classes which helped me to crack Infosys and TCS. I got selected under Ninja role. Okay, so thank you so much sir, because of your guidance and excellent content I got selected in Capgemini and TCS. So there are a lot of stories are there, man. If we start putting, no, it will, sir, because of your aptitude videos I cleared this. So this is TCS is sending the selection mail. Okay, and then here I want to thank you a lot. I got selected in TCS digital today. Okay, your interview courses helped me a lot. So all those things you will be able to see, friends, and that is the only reason is the effort which we put behind each and every selection. Okay, and this our TCS NQT crash course, when there was no YouTube channel, from that we are selling this TCS NQT crash course, one of the best course I'm telling you, and you will never regret. So 2025 and 2026, a long way to go ahead. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.